Welcome to my YouTube and Facebook channel. In this video, we will discuss about the rise of artificial intelligence, a blessing or a curse for humanity. Introduction. In the realm of science fiction, the idea of artificial intelligence, usurping control and threatening to bring about the end of civilization, has been a recurring theme. However, the rapidly advancing world of AI is no longer confined to the pages of novels or the silver screen. It's very much a part of our reality today. As AI continues to push the boundaries of human achievement, it begs the question: will artificial intelligence end civilization, or will it prove to be the key to our collective progress and prosperity? The fear of unbridled day. It is natural for humans to harbor fears about the unknown, and AI certainly embodies that aspect. Critics argue that if left unchecked, AI could develop a mind of its own, leading to unintended consequences or even a catastrophic takeover. Hollywood's dystopian visions often depict malevolent AI systems, intent on subjugating humanity to their will. While these scenarios make for gripping storytelling, it's essential to separate fiction from reality. Ethical concerns. Its potential impact on society raises ethical dilemmas that demand careful consideration. One pressing issue is AI's potential to exacerbate social inequalities. Algorithms that drive AI systems can inadvertently perpetuate biases present in the data they are trained on, leading to discriminatory outcomes. For instance, biased AI decisions in areas like hiring, finance, and criminal justice could have far-reaching consequences. Furthermore, the impact on the job market is another concern. AI's efficiency could lead to the automation of numerous jobs, leaving a considerable portion of the workforce unemployed and exacerbating income inequality. However, it's important to remember that throughout history, technological advancements have often led to new job opportunities and improvements in overall quality of life. AI as a catalyst for advancement. Contrary to the fears, AI holds tremendous potential to transform our lives positively. Already, AI-driven technologies are revolutionizing healthcare, drug discovery, and diagnostics, leading to advancements in medical treatments and improved global health. In fields like agriculture, AI can optimize crop yields, addressing food scarcity and reducing the environmental impact of farming practices. Moreover, AI's integration into transportation can enhance safety and efficiency, ultimately reducing accidents and emissions. It's also poised to revolutionize education, offering personalized learning experiences for students worldwide. The power of human ingenuity. It's crucial to remember that AI is not inherently malevolent. Rather, its ethical implications and potential outcomes depend on how we shape its development. As a society, we possess the responsibility to govern AI technology wisely and transparently. By prioritizing research, establishing robust regulations, and investing in education, we can mitigate potential risks and harness AI's power for the greater good. Collaboration, not competition. The notion of AI bringing about the end of civilization can be reframed into a more optimistic perspective. AI has the potential to unite humanity like never before. Global challenges such as climate change, disease outbreaks, and resource depletion require international cooperation and innovative solutions. AI can be the catalyst that enables us to transcend borders and collaborate on a planetary scale to address these pressing issues. Conclusion. The question of whether AI will end civilization rests largely on the choices we make today. As with any transformative technology, AI comes with its fair share of risks and challenges. However, by embracing ethical practices, fostering innovation, and promoting collaboration, we can harness the immense potential of AI to build a brighter and more equitable future. Let us not be held hostage by fear, but instead embrace the responsibility to shape AI for the betterment of humanity. The age of AI is upon us, and it is up to us to make it a blessing and not a curse. Thanks for watching. If you like video, please subscribe. Give feedback in comments and share with others.